Hello, my name is Santiago Cleves, and today I want to present a tourist city in Colombia, which is located in the department of Quindío, and I will also present a travel itinerary of the place. Okay, and today we're going to talk about el Parque del Café. Okay, in English it will be the Coffee Park. Okay, good. In this side I want to show you a little about the coffee park. Basically, some very necessary points that you have to take into account to go to this place. Okay, we have our travel itinerary. We have our informations and descriptions. Okay, and we have our introductions of the place. Okay, make a cutting short description of the place to visit. You can include information about the location with this place standards, all the water, and general idea of what they will enjoy in this place. We have our directing of the trip. This trip can last a full day, which could enjoy each attraction fully. Means of transporting. The means the transport are optional. That is, you can arrive by motorcycle or by car, or if the click likes, you can arrive in higher buses, depending on the number of people we go. We have our activities to do. The coffee park has 5 tourist sites which are Gaudo First and Clay Car, Coffee Mouse, Coffee Parks, Suspensions Breed, typical coffee architecture, typical peasant house. Good. This park also has a theme park. Considerations that it has approximately 22 attractions, which could be very fascinating for an anchored experience. Okay, we have our place to stay. Okay, Finca Hotel La Joya del Parque. This farm hotel, located 7 kilometers from the coffee park, offers of the best quality versus price region of the market. The house with a beautiful and comfortable white facade typical of Antioquia. Architecture of very pleasant, facilitated by a swimming pool, jacuzzi, and breakfast service. Okay. Number 2, Hotel El Edén del Parque. With a privileged locating very close to the coffee park, think Hotel El Edén del Parque del Café is one of the best options for those who want to enjoy the tourist attractions of the coffee region in places that provides comfort and peace of mind. Okay, we have our typical foods. Okay, the men's okay. The foods that could be made now in this place are beans in a paisa or heating. The main food in the dishes of coffee regions, another complement in sancocho, tripe, and beef. Okay, we have our cost. The cost. Okay, cost. Okay. The cost that can be worth per person is um is a 54,000 pesos. Okay. Okay. Where we can see some attractions of our coffee park. They are very fun, interesting. And here we have some hotels. They are very fun and interesting. Everything well organized. Here we have some hotels. Coffee park imagines. Here we have how our park is. Its sights and entertainment, which I when it look and is fantastic. Which is with look and is fantastic. Okay, we hope that on the you can visit this fabulous place. You see you soon. Okay, see you soon in the Parque El Café. Goodbye.